When looking for an adapter or cord for your 50 amp inlets, you may notice that although they have the same configurations like SS2-50 or CS6364, there are a couple extra features like a ring and a pin. So why would you need this ring, or why would you need this pin? Stick around to find out why. The adapter or cord connection you will need will mostly depend on the inlet itself. And although there are many different brands out there right now, there are mostly just two different types of builds. And that's this one right here with the ring on the outside to connect to. That's mostly for RV and marine applications. And another one without the ring, but with a centered hole in the middle to accept the pin. And that's mostly for transfer switches or emergency power in the power zone. And they'll still have the same connections on the inside, either SS250 or CS6375. Nowadays, it's not absolutely necessary to have one over the other based on your application, but for the examples that I'm showing you today, it's going to be based off of what they were originally intended to be used for, like historically, when these connections first started showing up. So as I briefly stated before, the 50 amp inlets that are used for RVs and marine applications have this ring on the outside. And so does the adapter or cord that you'll be using to attach to it. Again, just attaches like so. And then you just use the ring as an extra security precaution. Just like that, that's secured. And so that connection is usually referred to as NEMA SS2-50, and the SS standing for ship to shore. And so it has this ring on there because usually in a marina or dock, the boat is kind of just gently rocking. There's no way it's just going to stay perfectly still. And so it's to prevent water from getting in there and from the connection from becoming loose during that gentle rocking on the boat side. And then for RVs, kind of the same situation. When you're powering your RV at a campground, there's going to be very gentle like vibrations going on. Again, the ring is there to secure that into place, just as an extra precaution, even though you already twist lock it into place. The other one, without the ring, is based on California standard 6375. Again, the connection is it's pretty much the same as the SS250, just no ring on the outside. And there will be a center hole, a hole in the middle to accept the pin on this adapter or cord. And it's the same thing with this one. It's just this one's a lot heavier. It's got the center hole, no ring. Okay. And so I'll plug it into this one just because the door stays open on this. So you plug it in, twist the lock, and that's it. And so the reason that that one does not necessarily need the ring on it is because it's usually just used for your house during a power outage. And so your house, it's not really going to be moving anywhere, so it doesn't need that extra ring as an extra security feature. But with that pin, if I can get it out, there we go. Just close this real quick. But with this pin, it really only acts as a guide. There is absolutely no electrical connectivity with this pin. It is just a guide. And so if you're still unsure on which 50 amp inlet connection you'll need, please reach out to us, either commenting down below, or give us a call, email us, or find us on our website, acworks.com. If you thought this video was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thank you for watching.